let's look at the past tense. Okay, so we will start with a simple past tense, that is जो past में हो गया है simple. ठीक है, so I started. So here we use the subject and the past tense of the verb. Start का past tense is started. So I started, you started, he started. Okay, now when we are converting it into negative, we just add I did not start and the base form of the verb. I did not and the base form. And question में वापस did का जो did का and I का position है वो उसको invert करेंगे. Did I start? Did you start? Did it start? Okay. Now when do we use simple past tense? When we talk about an action that happened in the past and is completed at the time of speaking. Okay, she taught in that school last year. खत्म हो गया, last year खत्म हो गया सिखा के. Habitual past actions, मतलब that was your habit but past tense में, पहले था अभी नहीं है. He swam for an hour every day. मतलब वो स्विमिंग करता था for an hour every day in the past. Now he does not do it. Now we move on to past continuous. क्या मतलब past tense में वो चल रहा था मतलब it was happening, it was still happening. So we will use the subject was या फिर were depending on the subject and the ing form of the main verb. Okay. So generally continuous में past tense का हो, present का हो या future का हो, will be using the ing form of the verb. Okay, because that indicates the continuity of that action. I was playing, you were playing, मतलब past tense में कर रहे थे but continue था, मतलब वो play कर रहे थे. If it were I played, then it would have been simple past tense. But here it is I was playing, you were playing. Okay, now that depends on the subject. Okay, and negative and interrogative के rules are the same. Now when do we use past continuous? To show that an action was going on at some time in the past. The past में वो जब हो रहा था. Okay, it was still happening. When we talk of an action that was in progress when another took place. Okay, already चल रहा था. Then we have the past perfect tense. That means वो past tense में हुआ and the action was completed. ठीक है, perfect मतलब complete हो गया था. Okay, so here we use the subject I, you, he, she, we, etc. Plus we use had and the past participle form of the verb. I had worked, you had worked. Okay, and similarly negative and interrogative में change करने का, convert करने का method is the same. Okay, that is same for all the tenses. Now the past perfect tense is used when it is to talk of two related actions in the past. We use the past perfect for the first action and the simple past for the second action. Okay, so when we are talking about two related actions, that is when we use when we reached the theater, the play had started. And then we have the past perfect continuous tense. Okay, so I had been starting. So यहाँ पे we will be using had subject plus had plus been add करेंगे इसमें and starting ing form. continuous है तो obviously verb का ing form ही आएगा. So I had been starting, she had been starting. And then negative and question में convert करने का rules are the same. Now the past perfect continuous is used, when do we use it? To talk of an action that started before a point of time in the past and continued up to that time. मतलब past के भी पहले वो start हुआ था and then it continues up to that particular time in the past tense. Okay, she had been sleeping all morning when the doorbell woke her up. Okay, तो वो morning होने जब bell बजी उसके पहले से वो सोई थी. The action had started before the doorbell rang in the morning. So with that I hope the past tense, the concept of past tense and how to convert it and how to identify the various types of past tense is clear.